Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government objective past question. Question number 20. Question number 20 says public opinion can be measured through dash. Public opinion can be measured through dash. So in this question number 20, when we talk of public opinion is the general sample opinion of the people on particular social subjects or topic. That is public topic. So that is the what the people say about that topic raised by government. So how do we measure it? Option A say strike action, no. Referendum, rumor. It's not by rumor, it's not by negotiation, because most of the time the government takes ample decision so out of the general opinion of the citizens, general opinion of the people or citizens. So that's why it is not by negotiation, it is not by strike, but what? Referendum. Yes, it is measured by referendum. So that's option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.